Hello everyone, this is Leroy Oscar Tanner, Programming and Technology Services Librarian for the new Ulm Public Library, here to give you a brief introduction to MNKnowsorg, accessible through our website and made available for free with your library card. You can access the library's homepage by typing into the URL bar newulmlibrary.org, and that will bring you here. And if you have any questions about this video or anything else about the library, feel free to access our contact information, including phone number, email, and our Facebook page in the description below, as well as you can find it from our library homepage. This will take you to our Facebook page. Let's get started. You can access MNKnows.org by clicking on this link on the right-hand side, and it'll open in a new tab in your browser right here. Each of these leads you to many other resources which will require tutorials of their own, and feel free to watch those as they become available. But let's go ahead and just briefly talk about each of these in turn. eBooks Minnesota is another large collection comparable to our Overdrive ebook and e-audio collection with all sorts of media content, photographs, paintings, audio, documents, facsimiles of original documents, books and books galore, all available for free with your library card. And there's no checkout limit on books through eBooks Minnesota, and we'll talk about that more in another tutorial. MnLink is the service that allows you to request all sorts of different kinds of items from libraries across the state. eLibrary Minnesota is your online research database go-to place. Instead of starting with a general search in a search engine like Google, you can instead come to eLibrary Minnesota and get the facts. Minnesota Reflections is a great historical database detailing all sorts of wonderful things related specifically to Minnesota history. Photographs, documents, maps, books, all available to view for free through Minnesota Reflections. Ask Minnesota is a wonderful resource that allows you to talk to a librarian live through chat and ask them all sorts of questions relative to books, to research, to current events. Go ahead and give it a try and see what you can find out. Well, that was real quick, but we'll go into each of these in more detail later on. Thanks for watching. And again, if you have any questions, just contact us through the description below.